Hi folks, Saeed Johnson, MarineMax Sailandski. Come with me on this walkthrough. It should be informative and fun.
The 2020 Harris Pontoon 210 Cruiser. You'll notice right off the bat that it's a double tune. It has double Bimini tops. It's got the 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. You'll find that the French gray interior throughout this center walk-through dual helm configuration is quite functional. Has the dual captain seats. It's got flush cushion underneath the vinyl. It's got the black fencing with the silver railing on the outside of the boat. This is a boat that will seat everybody you want on board, 8 people, very functional. This boat does have a single battery, and along with it, it has a battery switch so that you can cut off any trickle from the battery, any drop. So you got a good chance of saving your battery for as much as possible there. This boat also has a changing station on it. You'll see right there in front of the port helm seat, there's a flip up opening that will bring out the changing station in case you need that. Great features on this boat, very spacious, lots of storage, comfortable fit. This boat also has the fish finder on it, and it'll also be able to give you some depth finding ability and fish finding ability combined in one. Come check out this boat. This is a great one.
Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, please call me or our other staff members, or come see us at our locations, Austin, Lakeway, San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.